capturing stunning photos with your smartphone is easier than ever, thanks to a few simple techniques. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, these 5 essential phone photography hacks can make a noticeable difference in your images. Each tip is designed to be practical and easy to implement, helping you achieve professional-looking results without any special equipment. From mastering lighting to composing your shots more effectively, these hacks will elevate your photography game. Get ready to discover how small adjustments can lead to big improvements in your smartphone photos. Enabling the camera grid on your device provides a helpful visual guide, allowing you to align subjects and horizons more precisely. This simple tool can improve the balance and composition of your photos by following the rule of thirds. Additionally, using the volume button as a shutter offers a more stable way to capture images. It reduces the risk of camera shake that often occurs when tapping the on-screen shutter, resulting in clearer, sharper photos. Together, these features make it easier to take professional-looking pictures, even with a smartphone. Burst mode is a powerful feature on many cameras and smartphones that allows you to take multiple photos in rapid succession. This is especially useful when photographing fast-moving subjects, such as athletes, pets, or children at play. By holding down the shutter button, you can capture a sequence of images, increasing your chances of getting the perfect shot. Afterward, you can review the series and select the frame that best captures the moment you want. Burst mode helps reduce the risk of missing key action and ensures you have a variety of options to choose from. It's an essential technique for anyone looking to improve their action photography. Manual focus offers greater control over your photography, allowing you to fine-tune exactly where your camera focuses. By tapping and holding on your subject to lock the focus, you can prevent the camera from shifting its attention to other areas. This technique is especially useful in challenging lighting conditions or when photographing subjects with complex backgrounds. Locking focus ensures that your images remain sharp and crisp, even if there is movement or distractions in the frame. With practice, manual focus can help you achieve consistently professional results in your photos. Regularly cleaning your phone's lens with a microfiber cloth can make a noticeable difference in your photos. Over time, fingerprints, dust, and oils accumulate on the lens, leading to blurry images and distracting smudges. A quick wipe with a microfiber cloth removes these particles without scratching the surface. This simple habit ensures your camera captures sharper, more vibrant pictures. By maintaining a clean lens, you maximize the quality of every shot and avoid the frustration of unclear photos. It's a small step that can dramatically enhance your mobile photography experience. Editing your photos in Snapseed can transform ordinary images into vibrant, eye-catching visuals. With its intuitive tools, you can easily enhance colors to make scenes more lively and appealing. Adjusting exposure helps correct lighting issues, ensuring that every detail in your photo is visible and balanced. Snapseed's filters and adjustment sliders allow for precise control, so you can highlight specific elements or create a unique mood. As a free app, it's accessible to anyone looking to improve their photography. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, Snapseed offers powerful features that help your pictures truly stand out. In summary, these straightforward techniques can make a noticeable difference in your phone photography. By experimenting with lighting, composition, and editing tools, you can transform ordinary snapshots into striking images. Remember, practice is key to mastering any skill, so don't hesitate to try out new ideas and approaches. With a bit of creativity and patience, your photos will begin to reflect your unique perspective. Embrace the process and enjoy discovering what your phone camera is truly capable of.